Your first alert forecast with meteorologist Patrick Evans.
Classic Club showcasing the start of a day that is going to take us up close to record levels. Already it's very humid out there. Here's the view from El Paseo. Folks out and about and enjoying the coolest part of the day, but it's sticky out there. The humidity is already a factor in the excessive heat warning. Extended now through Thursday, and it covers most of the desert Southwest, a lot of the state of California, a lot of Nevada and Arizona. You can see this broad ridge of high pressure sticking around. This pattern hasn't changed. It's exactly where we left it on Friday, and it was there over the weekend, generating some massive thunderstorms in our local mountains. A bit of rain and maybe more of that today in the mountains along Riverside County, San Bernardino, and then down into San Diego County. Also, high desert locations tend to see a little bit of this monsoonal thunderstorm as well. We will likely not see much in the way of precipitation here in the valley, but it's an opportunity for us to see those storms popping up around Southern California. Right now, we're very close to 90 across the desert floor. The warm spot, we've got 94 degrees up in Desert Hot Springs. We are running modestly warmer than yesterday, anywhere from 2 to 5 degrees. And I think our daytime highs will reflect that later on this afternoon. We hit 114 yesterday, and I think we're going to be closer to 118 today. Light southeasterly breezes ushering in that very high humidity level. You can see this as you look at these dew points. The dew points are now in the lower 60s and all the way up to the low 70s. So it is extremely thick out there this morning in terms of humidity. And the dew points shoot right above the line on our graph here. It is definitely going to be one of those sticky days. We'll see a good bit of that monsoonal development as we move into the afternoon, with the monsoonal moisture flowing up from the Gulf and then sliding into Southern California. Typical for this time of year, unusual though that it's coupled with such a lengthy heat wave. The heat combined with the humidity is going to give us a chance of spotty mountain storms, but partly cloudy skies and even a slight chance of maybe some scattered showers close enough here to feel in the valley as well. And the rain would be certainly welcome. We could use that. It would also cool us off a little bit. Wouldn't improve how good it feels outside. That humidity wouldn't help. High pressure stays in place through Tuesday and Wednesday. It starts to break down a little bit later in the week. I'm looking at a high of 118 today, which would be a record for the day. It would tie the previous record. And then as we move forward, looking at your Comfort Air 7-day forecast, the numbers bouncing around 115 for the middle of the week, but it still will be fairly uncomfortable. We are coupling that with humidity, so you see partly cloudy skies. We're pretty close to records all the way through the period. By Friday and Saturday, the numbers come down so that we're not threatening records, but we're still dealing with some pretty extreme temperatures well above our seasonal averages. We'll check back in with Angela and Jeff for the latest headlines. You're watching News Channel 3, the Desert's news leader. We'll be right back.